The topic of today's video is the Brevo email marketing honest review. So today we're diving into an honest review of Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue. So Brevo is an all-in-one marketing platform that offers email marketing, SMS campaigns, automation workflows, CRM tools, and more. So let's break down some of Brevo's standout features. Email marketing. Brevo offers a drag and drop email editor with over 40 responsive templates, making it easy to create professional looking emails. Marketing automations. Set up automated workflows based on user behavior, such as email opens, link clicks, or website visits. CRM integration allows you to manage your contacts with Brevo's built-in CRM, allowing for better segmentation and personalized communication. SMS and WhatsApp campaigns as well here, so you can reach your audience through multiple channels by sending SMSs and WhatsApp messages directly from the platform. In terms of pricing, Brevo offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs. A free plan allows you to send up to 300 emails per day with unlimited contacts. The starter plan is at $9 a month and removes the daily sending limits and offers some additional features. We have the business plan starting at about $18 a month, and that includes advanced features like A and B testing, landing pages, and marketing automation. Enterprise plan is the last one, and that one has custom pricing for larger organizations requiring dedicated support and advanced capabilities. So at the end of the day, Brevo is ideal for small to medium businesses looking for an affordable yet robust email marketing solution, e-commerce stores, as well as startups. And that concludes our honest review. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.